Hello everyone. In this chapter disasters, we will be taking right now natural disasters in this video. So let's start with natural disaster. In this video, we will be covering earthquake, volcano, floods, wildfire, the causes and the effects. Next is flood. A flood is a natural disaster caused by heavy rainfall that can increase the water level in rivers, lakes, ponds, streams, or oceans. The river overflow their banks. The reasons behind floods are ice, melting of ice, river rising beyond the level, heavy rainfall, snow melt, storm, and breakage of structure or collapse of structures like dam. Effects of floods, loss of property and human lives. It also affects the major roads. It disrupts the air, train and bus services, spread of waterborne, communicable diseases, communication breakdown, electricity supply is cut off, economic and social disruption, increase in air and water pollution. Measures to minimize the risk. Adopting certain measures of flood preparedness can stop their disastrous effects. Number 1. Regular weather reports should be aired on radio and television to keep the people well informed. Rise in the river water level should be closely monitored and alert signal should be issued when the danger level is crossed. River embankments should be constructed to check the spread of flood water. Keep a first aid kit readily available along the other essential items such as candles, matchsticks, torches, and sticks to ward off the snakes. Keep sufficient stock of food, fresh water, and clothes in the waterproof bags. Make arrangements to evacuate people to safer places. Wildfires. Wildfire is an uncontrollable fire in an area of combustible vegetation that occurs in countryside or a wilderness area. Which are the different reasons behind occurrence of wildfires? So human beings, because of their negligence or ignorance, lightning, volcanic eruptions, heat waves, droughts, cyclic climate changes are also responsible for such occurrences. What can we do to lessen the effect of wildfire? Be aware of news updates from local media and fire departments. Keep an emergency supply kit ready. Turn off the gas pipeline and close all the windows and doors. Let's learn about a few occurrence of such a natural disaster, wildfires in Australia, 2001 Gujarat earthquake, Mount Etna eruption, Iceland eruption in 2021, and southern New Jersey wildfire. In the next video, we will be learning about human-induced disaster. Stay connected. Bye-bye. Do not forget to comment.